So let us first define what is geometric sequence. Geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called the common ratio or R. Common ratio or R. We can determine the common ratio by dividing any term in the sequence by the term that precedes it. I-divide natin yung pumapangalawang term sa naunang term. We have an example of geometric sequence. Number 1, 2, 6, 18, 54. If we're going to find or determine what is the common ratio of the sequence, to find R, let us divide any number in the sequence, which is, again, i-divide natin yung pumapangalawa sa nauna, kahit alin dyan sa term na yan. So, let's try. 54 divided by 18 is 3. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So, kung titingnan natin, meron silang common na dinidivide, which is 3. So, that is what we call the common ratio. Yun yung minumultiply natin doon sa bawat term ng sequence. Let's try this one. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then 6 times 3 equals 18. And 18 times 3 equals 54. So now 3 is what we call the common ratio. Okay, so next, let's have number 2 example. 64, 32, 16, 8, 4. Okay, to find the common ratio or R, yung step na nasa number 1, yun lang din yung gagawin natin. I-divide natin yung pumapangalawa sa naunang term. So, let's have 4 over 8 or 4 divided by 8. So, we cannot divide 4 divided by 8. So, ang gagawin lang natin, since mas mataas ang denominator kaysa sa numerator. So, isi-simplify lang natin siya or ilo-lowest term natin. I-divide natin siya both numerator and denominator by the common factor or the greatest common factor ng 4 at 8. So, the greatest common factor ng 4 at 8 ay 4. So, divided by 4 over 4. Now, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Okay, therefore, we have 1/2. Okay, so yan yung magiging common ratio natin. Okay, but i-check natin lahat. So, what if we have 8 divided by 16? Again, we cannot divide 8 divided by 16 because mas mataas yung denominator kaysa sa numerator. So, we have to simplify by dividing the greatest common factor, which is 8. Okay, 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Okay, we have another 1/2. So, how about 16 divided by 32? Greatest common factor is 16. Then 16 divided by 16 is 1. 32 divided by 16 is 2. Okay, next, how about 32 divided by 64? Again, we cannot divide. And then, lowest term lang natin or simplify. The greatest common factor is 32. So, we divide it by 32 both numerator and denominator. So, 32 divided by 32 is 1. 64 divided by 32 is 2. Okay, therefore, yung 1/2 na yan, yun yung imumultiply natin doon sa or bawat term ng sequence natin mula doon sa may left side papuntang right. So, yan yung tinatawag nating common ratio. So, let's try this one. 64 times 1/2. Okay, and this is the solution. 64 times 1/2. Okay, so pag nagmumultiply tayo ng fraction, imumultiply natin yung numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. Ang denominator ng 64 ay 1. So, 64 times 1 is 64 and 1 times 2 equals 2. Therefore, 64 divided by 2 equals 32. Okay, next, 32 times 1 half. 32 times 1 is 32, divided by 2 equals 16. Next, 16 times 1 half. We have 16 times 1 is 16, divided by 2 equals 8. The next, we have 8 times 1 half. 8 times 1 is 8, divided by 2 equals 4. Okay, therefore, yung minultiply natin na 1 half, which is pare-pareho every term, is what we call the common ratio. Again, the common ratio of the sequence is 1 half. Okay, so that is how to find the common ratio of the geometric sequence. So let us proceed to the sum of geometric sequence. How do we find the sum of geometric sequence?